Do you love stickers? You're going to want to stick around and watch this video if you do. We have something new and exciting. I'm Jamie, the owner of Not Too Shabby. We make fun and unique paper crafting products like paper pads, ephemera, stamps, and dies. And now we have PET tape. So if you're not familiar with PET tape, it's beautiful images on a clear plastic roll of tape. Our PET tape is kiss cut, so you can easily peel back and apply it to your project. It has a special oil finish, beautiful vibrant colors, and a slight texture when you feel it. Stick around, guys. We have an awesome hop with lots of creators creating different projects and giving you lots of ideas on how to use your PET tape. We have a special I Want It All bundle in the shop where you can purchase all 5 of the new designs for an exclusive 15% off. I'm so excited about this hop. I've seen photos, but I really want to see on camera the beautiful projects that the design team has done. So let's share the PET tape, and then I'm going to create a super cute card with you, decorate this little cup, and show you my other projects. So your PET tape will come shrink wrapped. It has a label on the bottom of the name and then our logo on the top. We have 5 spring and summer designs. You can purchase the bundle and save or purchase one of your favorites. Okay, let's start with the blue Spring Awakening. So I got gorgeous, gorgeous images all in a blue denim. You get a ton. So you're going to have plenty. Put them on plastic items or glass items. They are water resistant. I wouldn't say they're waterproof. You wouldn't want to put them in the dishwasher. That will probably make your sticker fall right off. But if you're doing maybe some light rinsing or something, it'd be okay. I put one on my water bottle and my coffee thermos. So I was going to decorate this cup with this design here. So let's go ahead and pull off the image. I want to use this girl facing backwards. She's super pretty with her ponytail. I love to wear my hair like that, and just put that in the center and press it down. So cute. I love that. And then I want to decorate with maybe some flowers. And then I'll put a couple of these little blue florals just at the bottom here. I think that's pretty. This little butterfly one is really pretty with the flowers. I'm gonna put that above the sentiment. There we go. There, I like that. That looks really, really pretty. You can just decorate like different items in your craft room. So that's one way to use your PET tape. Okay, I want to show you the pink blossom Easter next. This one's super pretty. We've got these really cute bunnies in here. And Easter eggs, so cute. Let's see if you can see that. So cute. I love the color. There's some sentiments, Easter, spring, April. These are great to decorate your planners with. Here's a close-up so you can see that a little bit better against the white. There's a playlist in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box down below. All the links are there. So I decided to put it on a votive candle. So I think that's really, really pretty. I also used it on this cute little packaging. You can add it to like clear acetate. Since the outer edge is clear, it looks really pretty. I added the word Easter from the roll and these two little flowers as well. Cute little butterflies at the top. Just a fun way to decorate some packaging. And here's a card I did using the same roll. Isn't that fun? I just added a bunch of stickers at the bottom. Next, I want to show you the Lemon Gnomes roll. It's so cute. This one is sure to be a favorite. Let's bring this white up so you can get a better look. How cute is that? There's some sentiments in here to my sweet friend, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So cute. Love that one on a hammock. This one's on a swing. Super, super fun, guys. So here is the cute Lemon Gnomes card. I love it. All I did was add some Copic markers in green for the grass and place a sticker on top. For the paper, I used our Irresistible Delights. And for the stamp set, I used our Lemon Squeezy stamp set. You can find both of these items in the shop as well. I think it turned out so cute. Next up is our Sweet Summer Cottage. This one is a watermelon theme. How beautiful is this? And these will go great with your not too shabby watermelon papers. Look at that, so cute. Perfect for the summer gingham paper pad. Don't forget to check out our shop. We have beautiful, vibrant paper pads and coordinating ephemera. Isn't that pretty? I love that watermelon butterfly. It's so pretty. You're not gonna wanna miss Teresa's beautiful watermelon tags. I think they turned out so gorgeous. Next up is Sunshine and Petals. This one has a blue and yellow theme. Very spring-like. Gorgeous, gorgeous images. So pretty, and I'm going to do my card with this one here. And I'm going to use the gingham, the spring gingham paper pad. And here's a card that I did using that collection. And I did use the Cafe Latte paper pad that you can find in the shop for this one. I adhered the sticker to a gold piece of paper. Isn't that nice? So let me get my supplies out and let's go ahead and put this card together. I am using the spring gingham paper pad that's in the shop, the Sunflower Fields paper pad. I had these in my stash for the longest time. They're just little glassine pockets. And I'm going to use that on the front of my card. I have all my pieces. I thought that'd be a nice place to add a sticker. This is perfect for like junk journaling. You can add stickers on your little pieces of ephemera that you make and stick them in your junk journals. So I'm going to get that white card base out, the gingham as my backdrop. So I am working on the orders, guys. I am halfway through. We had a big release on the 1st, so between our pet tape release and our regular monthly release, I am just super busy packing the orders and all the things. So thank you for your patience. So we're gonna cut this at 4 by 5 1/4. I'll save that piece to decorate the inside. So we'll have a nice little white border. So let me go ahead and add that, and then we'll get our second layer cut. Okay, for this, I want to do a little piece that goes on the inside where you can just slip it in and out. So for this, I cut this little piece that fits right in there. And then I'm just gonna decorate it with little parts. I thought I'd do this cute little sunflower pattern like that. Kind of have a little pull tab. So let's go ahead, add some glue. There we go. I think that's so cute. And then we can add some of these pretty little butterflies. That they won't add any bulk. These pretty little butterflies won't add any bulk, so it's perfect for something like this. So this is just going to slip in there. So cute, right? I could add a little butterfly on top of the pull tab, but let's see how the card is going to look before we start adding more things, right? So I want this on there, and then these really pretty sunflowers. So let's see. And I think I might want to like have things like a little wonky on this card. So I want to cut this down a lot smaller. So how about like 3? Now let's do 3 1/4. Maybe by 4. And then I want this on there. And then our cute little tag. So we can fuss with this all day. Okay, so I have my pieces here. I want to add this like on an angle. So I think I'm going to do it this way. So let's put this one down. And then I'm going to put this one down here. Have just a little bit showing at the bottom there. Like that. So let's add some glue back here. You know, I should have used tape. I shouldn't have used this glue, but too late now. Okay, we'll give it a little minute to dry. Okay, so now we have this cute little pockets with a little message you can put on the back of that. So cute, but we have to add enamel dots. So we have our new Spring Bliss enamel dots, and that yellow is perfect. Final touch. So let's take a look at all the projects. So we have this really cute card with a little pocket. We have our cute little cup decorated. I keep some flowers in here. We have a votive. We have some clear packaging. We have a cute card with gold paper. Having fun layering up all the stickers. And then a cute card mixed with stamps and paper. So great ideas here. I hope you guys get lots of more ideas on the way as you hop along. Thank you so much for watching and checking out our brand new pet tape collection. Don't forget, you can grab them all for a 15% off discount when you get the I Want It All bundle. I'll have all links in the description box. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.